So our topic is rich mindset versus poor mindset. As we all know, rich mindset of the rich peoples, like there are so many peoples who are rich, but their mindset is too poor because they thought that they are just dividing the caste like a Muslim and like a Hindu. They don't think about the poor people. They just know that we are rich, so we can buy everything, and if they are in any problem, so they can handle it very well. They have the power of money, they have the power of government. By the money, by giving the bribes, they can solve every problem. And if the business, if they are going loss in their business, so they can handle by giving the money.
And some of the pupils they are rich, and their mindset is that they thinks that and they can do anything by the money, and they don't think about nothing. They think only money. By the money we can do anything, and they worship the money. And if we will talk about the poor person mindset, the poor person mindset, their mindset, they know without hard work we cannot get success. And they know we don't have money, so we will have to do hard work. And nowadays those poor person, they are in the top.
Poor people and rich people, and about their mindset is something, it is related to the belief system they carry in their life, and they have different tendencies, they have different system, different ways of thinking. Rich people, they always think to work more and to earn more. They like to invest their money and they want to grow up. Poor people, they have a mindset, they are happy of what they have. See, we should be satisfied, we should be happy of what we have, but we should not compare. Rich people, they do not compare anything like which is bogus, which is not relevant. Poor people, they compare their clothes with others. Poor people, they compare their standard of living with others. So this is the symbol of the poor mindset. And rich mindset, you will find out they will be into the different zone. Rich people, they have limited number of clothes, limited amount of food they take it, but wealth, they increase it and they keep increasing, investing it, and they want to help others, they want to return whatever they get from the society. So rich mindset is a working mindset, functional mindset, and they just don't believe in the superstitions, and they don't believe in the preconceived notion that we have heard about, like cut your coat according to your clothes, jitni chadar utne pair pasaro. Rich mindset people, they do not believe in that, because whenever you want to grow, you want to grow higher, so you cannot shrink yourself. Poor people, they shrink themselves like is lying in the same curtain, right? So poor people, they are happy of what they have, and they just don't want to think lifelong, and they don't want to think longer. So rich people, they are very happy. Comparatively, their mental health is very good. If you do not have money, so your mental health, peace of mind, that is completely lost, because this is the basic level thing, and we should have the money to grow in life.
There are so many poor people whose the mindset is like a rich, like there are so many people who are poor, but they thought like a rich people, like they just thought that because their mindset is in the positive way. Like there are so many people who if they are in loss, so they just thought that everything become good after some time. They just thought that everything is good, and matlab, they never divide their caste, and they just behave with good to the others.
See, caste, creed, religions, these are some factors in our life that can't be changes. When you take birth on the planet, right? You're given this in your heritage. You cannot change your caste, creed, or the religion. Many people, they think they can change, and they change it. So based upon the caste, creed, religion, nobody can be rich or poor, right? Rich or poor you become because the mindset or education you think you should have just to grow of what you have. See, poor people, they want to enjoy the money, and whenever the salary comes in their account, they want to spend it and they want to enjoy this, right? But rich people, they want to invest this money so that they could make a huge return out of it. So a rich mindset is somewhere that is different from the poor mindset. And you know, one best thing about them, they never criticize anybody, right? They take the responsibility of their life. If they are poor, they are happy, they sad, they are not criticizing anybody. You will see lot many poor people criticizing the god, criticizing the people, just because of they are poor, just because of they are suffering from problems. Others are the reason behind them, right? So it is not the mindset of the rich people. They take the responsibility, they take the charge of their life, and they go ahead, and they are not hesitate, they are not shy of working. If they are having to work more than 18 hours, they are doing it. But poor people, poor mindset people, they are happy to work for 8 hours. See, 8 hours you can satisfy your needs, but you cannot accomplish or meet out your dreams. Many of the poor people, they don't have mindset of growing, right? They have so many dreams, but these dreams are not getting converted into the reality. You know, like biggest flaws in their mindset, I'm talking about the poor mindset. They think money is bad, right? In the poor family, why families are poor? See, nobody can be poor or rich because of the money they have. Like, this is also one of the factors, but more than the money, what they have, the mindset, right? If you think money is good, right, so you will appreciate that. You do not want to achieve anything which you find it is bad. And most of the poor people, they think money is bad because it brings a lot of distraction, it brings the hate. You know, people, they are hesitate of becoming rich, because while their relatives will hate them, their relatives will jealous them just to make them happy. This is the fragile ego they are giving to themselves to boost, right? So they are doing it. They think that if they become rich, people will start hating them, and where they are living, their communities, their people, they are sitting with them. So they have the limited kind of thoughts to grow up, right? They don't want to grow, therefore they are not growing.
As you said that some of the people, so they are poor. They are poor because they don't, some of the people, they don't have education, and some of the people, so their mindset is, their thinking is so poor. And if as we can talk about the rich person, they in the past they also faced the many problems, and their mindset was in the rich quality, and at last they succeed in their life.
I think one point you said that education is not the way they can become rich. Education here, I'm still not talking about the education which we have from institution, reading the books, right? I'm not talking about this kind of education. Education, this is somehow you get by observing and living into the different kind of atmosphere. See, in the 8 years to 10 years, children, they are in the rich class, they are in the upper class, they are learning about investing. If they have money, how can they make 200 out of 100? And here we are told by our parents money is bad, right? And whenever you have lots of money or the resources, so they are telling us, do not buy this thing, do not think about it. If you just go and say to your parents, I just want to be a billionaire, so they will not take it seriously, right? Because they do not believe that they can become rich. So rich and poor, it is just a mindset. And whenever you have right kind of a mindset or the education, see, poor people and in the poor families, children are not given the financial education. They are not taught the impact of saving money and investing. We are given 2 rupees, we are given 10 rupees, right? We are given thousand of rupees by our parents, and whenever we have this money as our pocket money, we are loving to spend it. But our parents are not telling us to save this money. They are not telling the importance of money, right? They are not telling us and sharing the knowledge related to growing up this money. So this growth mindset neither our parents have nor we have if we are coming into the poor class. So this mindset that can be got only when you get indulged with the people they are billionaire, and it is not possible all the time. If it is possible for you, that's very good. If it is not possible for you, you just go and read, the many books are there. But like going to the school and colleges, that will give you basic education and you can do the good job, and that is what our family members are pressurizing us to get a government job. If you have a government job, you are secured throughout the life and you don't have to do anything. So by becoming a government officer, government servant, you can satisfy your needs, but you can never become rich by saving money. Our mothers, they are saving money into the utensils. Whenever they are in the kitchen, they are saving money. When they are going for shopping, they are forgetting everything. So this is how, like, we do not have the rich mindset. Education, which is not given in our family by our parents, they are calling like money is a bad. Be cautious whenever you are investing money, whenever you are spending money. पैसे पेड़ पर नहीं होते. This kind of concept our parents are giving us. If this money is not growing on the tree, how come the big businessmen, they are spending the crore of rupees in a day? How they are making money? So education they are giving us just to become an employee. If you are doing work for anyone, so you can be an employee, and that's all. Government job, how can you make money? You can make 50,000, 80,000, and even if you become prime minister, president, 2 lakh rupees, not more than that, right? So by earning 2 and 3 lakh rupees monthly, you can never become a billionaire. So rich mindset, they have investing mindset. If you know how to invest your money, you can do it.
The hard work playing the main role in the getting the money, like if we talk about the prime minister, his monthly income is about 2 or 3 lakh. He is doing a lot of hard work, like he get up early and doing the lot of hard work. As he talk about the defense army, for attack on anyone, they just do the lot of hard work. At the 1st of March, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he just went the aims for taking the vaccine of coronavirus. No one can see him, and because he is just traveling like a normal people.
Another major thing which is found into the poor mindset, it is just they believe they know everything. And you know what, Bill Gates, Elon Musk, and those billionaires, they are studying, they are reading books 3 hours, 4 hours regularly. But you just go to the people, they have the mindset they know everything. They have traveled the world, दुनिया घूमी है उन्होंने. So they have this kind of a mindset. They are fixed, they are mentally very stable, and they do not want to welcome the new things to be add on in their life. They don't want to learn anything. But those billionaires, they are still reading, right? Albert Einstein said, the more I know about me, I know less, right? So these people, they are learning more. Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, right? Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, if they are billionaire, why they are a billionaire? They all are recommending books. They all have a success habit just to read books. And you know what, when we go above the certain age, we are loving to read the books which are comic books, right? So like if you're not reading books, by reading those successful books, you get the mindset of how do the people think. So like mindset is what? Mindset, it is just coming from the knowledge or information which is coming from the successful people. If we have company of failures and we are getting indulged with that company, we'll be learning something which will stop us and hamper our success. If you are sitting with your friends and they don't have growing mindset, so you'll not be able to grow because you are the sum total of your 4 friends. That's it.
As the APJ Abdul Kalam said, you born poor, it's not your fault. If you die poor, it's your fault. In this thing, what you did in your whole age, like he want to say that if you die in the aged year. So what was you done, what you done in your full year, full
You know
age?
what the biggest drawback of the poor mindset is? We are sharing lots of knowledge which are never happening in our life, which is never happening, right? Whatever you said, it is just the successful quote of the successful man, the president of India, APJ Abdul Kalam. He did a lot of hard work in his life and he became a president of India and successful scientist as well, right? Missile man he's called. So he has done a lot in his life and he is just the inspiration for us. These are some slogan which are given by successful people when we are speaking na, that doesn't have the spark. It has the spark only when you have felt, when you have done something in your life. The quote was, if you are born poor, it is none of your fault. When you die poor, it's only your fault. You know what? When, see, APJ Abdul Kalam is a person we appreciate, we know him as the president of India, scientist, missile man. These were the tags were given to him. But you should understand the story, or you should understand the life journey he had. He used to sell the newspaper, just he could learn more by reading those newspaper because he did not have money to buy it, right? He just gave more importance to educate himself and he achieved this. He was born in the poor family, but he was born in the poor family and he was died, right? He did not have lots of money in his bank account. Why? But he was rich. He won the heart of millions. He won the heart of the world. So like this is the thing. He did a lot of effort and lot of hard work. And what we are doing, we know that. If you keep spending your time in some unnecessary or irrelevant things, how can you become like him? If you want to become like him, like you need to give more priority. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was one of the greatest teacher all time that we have in Indian history. He educated the children. He preferred to choose teaching as his career option, right? He was a teacher and a mentor as well. He said, as a student, as a youngsters, you have biggest responsibility to educate yourself. Are we educating ourselves? No, we are not doing. So like if you talk about that person, just understand the journey, just understand the course and the psychology behind he said. If you are born poor, that means it is not your fault, because this is the thing that is not in your control. But you have the control of your life. You should take a charge of your life, and you want to become something, you just become. Nobody is hampering you or stopping you for this, right? If you're just keeping into the situation yourself, like you're blaming others, right? You're blaming your parents. My parents did not educate me, my teachers did not teach me. So this all the things you are saying, that he did not also have the privilege to educate him best. You know what? The teacher sent him back to study, to attend the class from backside of the class, and he said the best brain, right, which are fed and brought up the backside of the class, and he was the backbencher itself. But looking at the man, looking at the journey of the man, you need to learn something from the journey. We should not spend our life in telling the dialogues only.
As the APJ Abdul Kalam said that if you are born in if you are born in a poor family, so it's not a fault. But if you are dying poor, so it's a fault. As we can take about the example of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. He was born in the poor family, but he did so many hard work, and now he is the one of the popular men who wrote the Constitution of our India.
He had so much, he has much struggle in his
Yes.
life, right? He was born in poor family, but he was very curious to learn the things, and he educated himself, and we just respectfully take his name. He also had so many struggles in his life, but the poor mindset people, what they are doing, if they have a struggle, they do not want to just put their effort just to overcome from these struggles they are having in their life. Instead, what they are doing, they are blaming God did bad for them, right? They're blaming their parents, they're blaming their teachers, relative, they're blaming the weathers. If they have criticizing a mindset, they can never be constructive in their career. So this is how we should learn from those elders. They took the responsibility of their life, and they never said money is bad, money is very good, because money is the answer of many of your problems in your life. money is the answer. Today you need a good education, you should have money. Today you want to like learn anything, getting a good knowledge, you need to have money. Lifestyle, wear good clothes, and taking any good food, right? So everything in which the money is involved. So if you disrespect the money, if you think people in the poor families, they have poor mindset, they are hesitate of talking about money.